I had an email come through the other day from a lady that had watched my last video and enjoyed it. Someone that hadn't come across my channel before, and she went back and looked at some of my other videos and then sent me an email because she wasn't really sure what the aim of the channel was. It got me thinking. She's probably had a point there. So in this video, I'm just going to go through why I started this channel and where I hope the direction of it may go, although it could all change. You never know. So firstly, I started this as a bit of a creative outlet. I have my other channel, which is more raw, less refined, less polished. And I wanted a channel where I could put a bit more effort into videos, edit them a bit better, eventually learn that side of things, mess around with thumbnails and be a bit more creative in general with it. I felt like I have something to say on the subject, even though I'm inexperienced myself. And it's been something I've been thinking about doing something very similar to this for quite a while now, before I even released my first video on my other channel. I guess this channel is aimed at people like myself, like you guys, in their 40s and above, not very tech savvy, not used to editing, because we were brought up in a time where technology was just starting. So the technology these days compared to when I was in my teenage years growing up, it's completely different now. There was no mobile phones, no internet was just coming out. There was no Facebook, no YouTube or anything like that. So we are on the back foot in some regards compared to like the youth of today that have just been brought up in it and it's all natural to them. But this channel is about building a community, building something honest. I'm starting from scratch. I'm a small channel. I'm not a guru that's got millions of views and have helped other channels get millions of views. I'm just learning as I go, like you guys. When I get a bit more confident with all this and a bit more clued up on the editing side of things, I'll be doing more behind the scenes stuff, more experiments. Yeah, because of the size of this channel and the amount of views I get, the experiments I'm running take a bit of time to get some results back from and some ideas around them. If I was getting tens of thousands of views or hundreds of thousands of views, I could probably instantly work out, well, not instantly, but in a short amount of time, what's working and what's not. But it's all good. It's all part of the journey. It's all part of the learning curve, and I'm enjoying it. Really enjoying it, in fact. I'd rather build something real with people that it resonates with, that are on a similar journey to me, whether, doesn't matter what niche you're in. It can feel a lonely place, YouTube, sometimes, and it's nice to feel like you've got a community around you that share similar beliefs and having similar struggles. And just having an outlet to share that and to learn and to grow together is, I guess that's what I'm trying to build here. I didn't really put much thought into this video. It's just a reaction to that email. I just thought I'd get it out there, get it out in the open, and let's see where this channel takes us all. If it resonates with you, please stick around for future videos, like and subscribe and all that good stuff. And hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video.